Follow along today as we replace our slide toppers on our 2010 Tiffin Allegro bus.
It's our blessed adventure. It's our blessed adventure.
Today we just unbox slide toppers. They were in that box there, and now we got them laid out here in the sun, warming up. We're gonna get the rails, plastic rails put in for the coach and for the topper rail. And then hopefully we'll get started getting those things installed after we get the old ones off. So we'll get started getting this stuff done.
I did mine.
So they come with strings all the way through the hole and stapled here. These are from Stonevoss, which is supposed to be one of the best, if not the best, slide topper company and awning company around. So this is your tube that you have to insert in there, and this one is for, let's see what it says. This one is for the coach side. So this clear one goes in, and it's for the coach side of the rail. The smaller black one, it goes in, and it's for the roller side of the rail. So we'll get this prepped. You put some tape on there and pull her through. Professor here, he's giving me a lesson on how to get this done right. So we got this taped up. You see the tape is taped up with the pull line, and it runs down through there. I'm gonna come down to this end as he gets it fed in there.
Go ahead.
And I'm gonna pull this through.
This one goes through real easy.
And I'm pulling that through. And then voila, here comes our tape right
Pull
there.
a little more.
So, all right, so that's how we get it in there.
You can pull a little more.
So we're gonna repeat that process 6 more times, and then we'll have them all pulled through. Well, today we're doing slide toppers. This is the old ones. And we'll let you see what they look like when we get done. Okay, we got up here. We unrolled this slide topper all the way back to get all this excess material off. And you see it goes into these rails here on the coach, and then it goes into this rail right here on the roller, right here. So we got it loose. Gary's down there at that end, and he can just pull it on out. So he'll work that out and keep him from falling. I'm going to get down and hold his ladder, but you see what happens. We're off here, and we're going to get some of this dirt that's underneath the topper. You get a little bit of that under here, a little bit of dirt down here. Just go get all that cleaned off. Go put a little sealant right there in the middle and get that new topper on. All right, at the end down there where you start to slide it in, we took a 1/4-inch drill bit, and Gary opened the end up a little bit. Now he's filing it to make sure there's no burrs. So that makes it a little easier to feed your slide topper back in when you first start. The opening at the end is opened up just a little wider so that you can see right here. Move your hand there, Gary. You can see how that opens up a little bit more, and makes it easier to get it started.
I'm not sure if these guys really know what they're doing, but you want to narrate what you're doing?
What's that?
So you want to narrate what you're doing?
Well, we're trying to get this slid over. You gotta get the front and the back tube sliding fairly close to the same time, and then we'll slide it down. Gary's got to feed it in.
I know. He's not being very safe on this ladder.
Yeah, do not do this. Do not try this at
Kids,
home.
do not try this at home.
Here, let me. That back part would be easy. You lift. If you
But
lift,
you
if
do
you
want to
lift the
keep
front.
it. You do want to keep it kind of even.
I know, but I'm saying if you lift up the front, I'll pull a little bit when you tell me.
Okay, pull a little. Keep going. Inch more. Okay, see a little more. Whoa, 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 whoa. That's probably too far.
No.
Okay.
Too far.
Where did? I'm 1 inch in on the roller. Where are you?
I'm about. Yeah, I'm about there. I'm right there. I can see the old mark where the other one was.
Yeah. Well, we're gonna want to center it. Like I'm 1 inch from here in. And
Well,
you
how far are you from the old mark? See the outline. See the outline on the tape.
I
Can you
can't see it here
Can't see it?
because
Okay.
I washed and wiped everything out. But
All
what
right,
I'm
so we
saying,
need
David,
let's
is
get a
I'm
tape
1
measure.
inch from this end
Let's
cap
get a tape
in.
measure on my end.
Well, we can look at either end. I'm actually 1 inch to the set screw, which is probably pretty close to what it was before.
Let's see here. We are. Wow, this is gonna be tough.
So you can't really measure it there. I can tell if I go to your side, having been on mine.
Like from the edge of the tube here in the front, I am.
I can see you're different than me from here.
3/4.
Are you talking from this cap here?
Yeah.
Right here where my finger is, I'm 1 inch to the material from this end cap.
You got your tape measure.
Well, I
eyeballs?
don't need it. It's exactly an inch.
This is being recorded too.
I like the way you say that. It's exactly.
He's very confident.
I'm at 7/8. Mister, put some measuring tape to it, Mister 1 inch. Hey, go into the 1 inch mark.
I'm at exactly 7/8.
Oh, okay.
Oh, you're
He was an
eighth
eighth inch off. Okay, his laser eyeball was like an eighth inch off. We're 7/8.
Okay. Then it's the same. But up here, I'm a little bit worried about.
See at the left now. That's pretty good.
I need the snips now to cut this off.
How's come you got so much left over? As the roller rolls it up?
Look at that right there, and you can tell. That one. See how all that stuff is super clean.
Yeah. Oh. Why didn't you just turn this around then?
Well, you'd have to sew the end.
Oh. Seems like such a waste of material.
I think you should go up to the edge of that. Good. All right, got that on. We're at the point of no return here.
This is going to be perfect.
All right, we're good there. So now you just got to put the set screw in and then snip it. I love. Oh, I'm perfect. Get it.
I'll tell you what, we could have did it right there.
Uh,
I work for NASA.
1 inch perfectly 1 inch. That's
Perfectly
it.
1 inch, yeah. Now we just got to repeat this 3 more times. So Gary's putting the set screw back in so that holds everything in place. And then we'll cut the end of that little clear tube off, take our Allen wrench off, and let her roll up. We'll be good to go. Snips. Here you are, doctor. Alright, let me come down on the ladder just a ring. Because it's going to roll towards me, right?
I think so.
Yeah, so.
Okay. Let's it's just each hold each end and let it roll real flush. Whoa. That's what happens. Be careful, it likes to slip.
There she is.
Well, I tell you what.
Wow.
That really looks good. Right? This is plenty taut. The other one was plenty taut too.
Yeah.
And you can roll it in and out if you want once, but we got it so nice. We have less wrinkles than, I don't even know if them little wrinkles will come out. I mean, you can try it. They always say roll it in and back out again once or twice, but I don't know if you're gonna get it any
No,
better.
I mean, it's smooth. I kept my hand on it.
No, I
Kept
know
it
it.
tight.
I've always had them where there was
There's
a
no-
couple that required rolling it in.
Yeah, that's laid pretty flat.
I don't think you're gonna get any of
All right,
that.
what's it look like down there, Darlene?
Perfect.
All right,
It's new.
I say let's put the cap on and we're good. Let me grab my screws here.
Gotta go. I think I gotta go to you. Oh, there you go.
The middle end.
Gotta just put this in.
Uh-oh, broke a fingernail.
Oh no.
Felony. That's a felony.
Oh no.
Alrighty, this is the before, and this is the after. Pretty good. I think it turned out pretty spectacular. Looks good. Alright, we got the second topper off. Got everything cleaned up. Got this hole opened up here at the end so you can feed it in. Now it's time to get the next topper on. We got done with all the toppers, and this is what the final project looks like. That side's done. That side's done. So, of course, the air conditioning will start right now. But we're all done.
It's our blessed adventure. It's our blessed adventure.
We just wanted to show you that with a little bit of patience and time, you can do a project like slide toppers with some help with a friend and have some fun doing it. So we hope you like the video. Don't forget to subscribe, push the thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to keep coming along as we have fun at Knowles Blessed Adventures.